get started.
Stressful. This is really stressful.
I can't play it, it's copyright, you know, it's copyright. However, I can't play the theme song, but we can make a lightsaber, or a Woodsaber as it's now going to be called. It's going to be called the Woodsaber. I'm really pleased with it. You know, this was a piece of recycled wood. It actually came from my boat. It was a rear hatch. It is much cooler being a Woodsaber than it is a rear hatch for a narrowboat. So I hope you enjoyed the project. I hope you like the look of it and how it kind of turned out. It's not perfect, but I'm certainly really pleased with it. I'm going to be uploading some much nicer looking photos on my Instagram. So if you want to check those out, that is anchordesigns_GB. And I'd be happy to see you over there. If you did like this video, please hit subscribe. Give me a like if you like what you see. And we'll see you in the next one. Thank you. See you next time. Check out the next project. Yeah, can you guess what that is?